today's video, I'll show you how to add product quantity in WooCommerce to manage your stock effectively. Start by going to the product section in your WordPress dashboard and select the product you want to edit or create a new one. Click Edit to open the product editing page. Next, scroll to the product data box and click on the Inventory tab. Here, enable Manage Stock by ticking the checkbox. This allows WooCommerce to track stock for this product automatically. Then, enter the number of items you currently have in the stock quantity field. Make sure this number is accurate so WooCommerce can update availability and alert you when stock is low. Finally, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added product quantities in WooCommerce, keeping your inventory accurate and your store running smoothly.